So we have this listing at 615 Reclamation Road in West Creston. It's a super cute, absolutely gorgeous log home, and it's on over 9 acres, and it has this amazing view. It's a little bit hazy right now, but the view is absolutely spectacular, and it's got a beautiful acreage. So this property has this long driveway all the way around, so they've built that. This whole area is fenced as well, so it'll have grazing, or it could keep animals or horses or whatever it is. It's a beautiful field here as well, and it has a garden. So it's really, really beautiful. It is tiered, so it does go up, and it's very treed up here. There is a little bit of a flatter area. There's roads throughout this property, so easy access and absolutely gorgeous. Talk about privacy, and I mean, this is absolutely amazing. There's a 4-stall barn there as well, and yeah, I just want to kind of show you a little bit more around the property and show you what it has to offer. There's a little bit of a fire pit there. The well is here as well. It's been drilled, and it has a septic in the back of the property. So yeah, so I'm going to walk down and show you a little bit more. Okay, so for perspective, we have the home here and the barn here. So it does have these 4 stalls. It also has a sub panel and water here. So it has electricity and water. So everything you need is right here. If you wanted to expand on this, you have all those utilities. And going this way, there is a road that goes up. So I walked up here behind the barn. It's actually a really, really comfortable walk. You could probably take a truck up here. And then you have this beautiful forest back here. So much nature. Oh, and you're also backing onto Crown land. So, I mean, hiking, riding, ATVing, hunting. You are literally backing onto Crown land this way and this way. So this is, yeah, just talk about privacy. Yeah, you are about maybe 20 minutes out of town, no more than that, for all your shopping, but you have this incredible property that's super private. Get a couple of shots from here. So this is that driveway, the property. It also has this huge carport and a very heavy duty, I think it's 16 feet high and 40 feet long pole shed right here. Perfect for RV parking or just to keep things out of the rain. And here's more of that property and the views. I'm going to go down and show you a little bit more from there. As I am walking through the property, I'd figure I mentioned this. So this is the driveway that we came up from, and this is that fenced area. And the driveway goes all the way around to the home. Right, here we are. So a closer look at the home. The fire pit, it's just so cute. So it has, again, that main area here, the loft, bedroom, bathroom, walk-in closet, and balcony up here. It has tons of storage under the this covered deck. There's a little sunroom that's closed in, and it just needs windows and maybe a little bit of work there, but it's fantastic for extra space. And then it does have a basement as well. I won't have access to it right now, but I'm hoping to maybe add the video later, or maybe I can just quickly explain it in detail. So this is that door to the basement, and the basement is it's all concrete, so obviously it has a concrete foundation. It's all concrete. It's a really, really big space because it's the same floor footprint as the house, so it has a really big space. It does have a bedroom down here that's framed in. It has the newer hot water tank and also a washer dryer in there. So it has a 220 plug if anybody wanted to put a stove in for canning. Just perfect space for just extra space. Or you can I'll show you inside where you can potentially do stairs from the inside, so you can have more space for the house, or have just a walkout basement and have either for a home-based business storage, or create maybe like an in-law suite down there. It's just a really cool space, or for the kids to play if you wanted to finish it up, because it is currently unfinished. And this is that backyard. And the garden has this awesome garden. So of course they're not gardening, they're ready to move, but it does have this really great garden. So it has some berries and grapes and some perennials, fruit trees. Oh, this is an apple tree right here. So it has apple trees, and just really cute, very spacious. This garden is huge. It has a little greenhouse. Yeah, and here, maybe I will walk over to the other side. One sec. Okay, so I'm in the garden right now. Just to show you more of the property. It is so beautiful and so usable. So this is all fenced here as well. So you have the fencing here. They're just finishing it off, but it's going to be all fenced off. Water, so it's 4 feet deep, frost-free water hydrants. And this is that pole shed as well, and more fencing here. So yeah, so more area if you wanted goats or sheep. Just a lot of opportunity for animals if that's what you wish. Or just the fact that you have this incredible privacy. And here's that carport I mentioned before. So another opportunity to maybe create more space is close this in. This is the dining room window, so there's a chance to maybe open that up and have access to this area from the inside. So lots of opportunity to make extensions to the home if you need to. But this family has absolutely loved this home for about 20 years. And they just loved it as it was. So, and they've made improvements on the property and in the home as they lived here throughout the years. Right, we need to go see inside. So right here would be the front entrance and this really awesome front deck. Oh my gosh, I have something about front porches. I don't know what it is. And then that balcony upstairs, which I will show you. And here, let me just take a quick look here. So, wraparound deck. There we go. And this is that, let me just go in here. And this is that little area that they've enclosed. So it just needs windows or not. I mean, you could just put screens in here and use this space year round because it is covered and semi-enclosed. And you can put a little door if you choose in here. All right, as promised, now we have to go in. Right, so when you enter, you have this mudroom area as soon as you enter. I'm just gonna slip my shoes off and show you. So it's tiled, so it's really convenient just to kind of drop your stuff in here, coats, shoes, and so forth. And what's really cool about this, because I know I spoke about the basement having the laundry, but if you really needed to, you could do laundry up here. It does have water hookups and everything up here. So you could do a stackable laundry here in the mudroom. And then, of course, this beautiful wood, and then this open space for the living room right here. And just to my, so again, this is convenient because it's right off the mudroom, but it has the not the laundry, the bathroom. So it has a full bathroom, tub, shower. So everything is here really at your fingertips. Yeah. Here we go, just at the mudroom. And then these stairs go up. Oh, so for the basement, going back to that, you could potentially, the idea was to put stairs down here so they really will not interfere with your square footage, but you could do the stairs downstairs to the basement right here, and then you will expand your space by like 830 square feet or so. All right, back to the living room. So it has this I mean, it's very, very spacious here. So it has this huge living room area, wood stove. I mean, this is so beautiful and cozy. tons of windows. So this is that door that went to that covered area, that little sunroom, and the covered deck. And then you have, I need to show you these windows. So it has these amazing vaulted ceilings. Dining room. It's just so airy and really, really beautiful and cozy in here. And a country kitchen. How cute is that? Everything you need is right here. Double sinks. A little pass-through window to the living room area. Just a lot of light. All right, let's head upstairs. So walk-in closet. And this bedroom, so it is a loft-style bedroom. It has skylight, and it opens up to that main area, dining living room area, and then you get your heat easily from that beautiful stove, so it'll travel up here and keep this place nice and warm. Isn't this the cutest thing? It has little bunk beds. So it has little kid bunk beds all the way up here. That is just the most adorable thing. And it does have a bathroom as well. So this would be your ensuite bathroom. Skylight, jetted tub. Like this is incredible after a long day. Tons of room. Like I would definitely put shelving here. Just utilize the space in such a beautiful way. Just like that. Yeah, so really, really well thought out. So for this little home, it does have a lot of space. Oh yes, I want to show you the balcony. Okay, let's quickly go take a look at the balcony here. So from your master bedroom up here, it has this awesome space. So this is really great too because it does have power out here. So you have lights and a switch here, not a switch, but the outlet, yes. And then just a really, really nice balcony to enjoy the view here. And this is the front entrance, so we came from here. And I think that's all I got for you guys. Any questions, just you know where to reach me, and I'm happy to help.